addicts. In today's video, I've partnered with Pepto Bismol, and I'm going to be sharing with you what's in my travel bag. So if I'm traveling internationally, if I'm going on a road trip, which I'm doing a lot of this summer, a lot of like cross-country travel for family, because you know I'm a mom now and there's still lots of family to meet Asher. So here's what's in my travel bag.
Number one, I always have tissue.
I feel like if there's a mess or anytime I travel, my nose just gets stuffy. I feel like I'm blowing my nose a lot.
Tissue is definitely a must.
I also always have baby wipes. Even before I had a baby, I always have baby wipes in my bag when I'm traveling because it cleans up a mess. Sometimes it's just a little bit of a refresh. I've been known to pop one in my face and just kind of like get that little instant kick of refresh. They're so helpful and something I suggest that you use, baby or not. Of course, I've got my Pepto Bismol. Now I'm super excited about the Pepto Bismol liquid caps because I like to be daring when I travel. I want to try delicious food. I tend to overindulge because that's what you should do. You have to live each day to the fullest when you're on the road or if you've flown across the country or whatever. And one of the best ways to do that is to really enjoy local cuisine and take some chances. Or if you're on a road trip, you know, you might not be eating the best food. You're eating on the go, not always the healthiest food, maybe more fried food. So this is great because these liquid caps, take two, pop it in your mouth, easily, you know, wash it down with water. It's really great for travel. You can put it in your purse, your carry-on, whatever. So this is a must. You know, it's something that if you are having an upset tummy, the last thing you want to do is have diarrhea and spend an entire day in your hotel room instead of enjoying the day wherever it is that you're traveling. So partner with Pepto Bismol and I highly suggest these new liquid caps. They're awesome. I also always have sunglasses because let's be honest, when you're traveling, you do not always clock enough Z's. So these are great. Cover up maybe less than your 6 to 8 hours of sleep and you still look fashionable and fabulous for all of your photos. And ladies, sometimes if you get the mirrored ones, you don't even have to wear eye makeup and it won't take you that long to get ready. I also always suggest having hand sanitizer. When you're traveling, you're touching so many things, you know, you're coming and going. This is a great way to fend off getting sick. You don't want to get sick on your trip, so really sanitize your hands. Think about also keeping your phone clean. We're on our phones all day, so that's a big tip too, to make sure your phone is clean. I also love just like some makeup removing wipes because if you're gonna be on a long haul flight, it's really bad for your pores to be in your makeup for, you know, 24 hours. So makeup wipes are a great way to clean your face before you get some sleep. If you are on a long haul flight, I know it's tempting to stay up and watch all of the new movies that you wanted to see in the theater but you didn't. But wash your face and try to get some Z's because that is so key. And finally, guys, always hydrate. Always have water in your bag. Drink lots of water when you travel, when you're flying, when you're on the road. Water is so important to stay healthy and hydrated, and it'll just keep you feeling good. It's also great for the skin. So that's what's in my travel bag. I'd love to hear what's in your travel bag. All the information about what's in my travel bag will be below. And thanks so much, Pepto Bismol, for partnering me for this video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Happy travels all summer long.